Hi, I'm Dr. Palangio and I work at Englehart Animal Hospital and Blue Sky Animal Hospital here in North Bay. It's dental month in February, and so this is a great time to talk to our clients about what happens to their dogs and cats when they get dental disease and what we do about it here to treat it. So by the time dogs and cats are about 3 years old, they start to have signs of dental disease, and basically what happens is the bacteria on their teeth builds up. And that bacteria creates plaque and tartar that leaves that really nasty film on their teeth, and it can cause them to have really bad breath. And that's usually the first sign that clients come in with their dogs because they notice that their dog has bad breath. So what happens is that plaque really builds up on the teeth, and it eats away at all the gum tissue and the ligaments within the teeth, and it can start to make them really loose and sore for your pet's mouth. So you might notice that they start to have a hard time eating, or their gums bleed very easily, and all that bacteria makes their mouth really, really smelly. So while they're really good at hiding the dental disease, you may notice just the subtle differences in their ability to pick up food or their comfort when they're eating. And so that's usually an indication that you should bring them in to see the veterinarian so they can do a thorough oral exam and make sure that all of their teeth are still healthy enough to keep in place, and whether or not they need a good dental cleaning. All that bacteria on their teeth can even end up in the bloodstream when their gums are bleeding easily, and that can cause other issues. It has been seen to be correlated with heart disease and kidney disease and stuff like that. So it's very important to keep an eye on their mouth for their overall health, and that's where we come into play to try and keep their mouth nice and clean. So what we do when they come in for a dentistry is they have to be under anesthesia in order to have their mouth open nice and wide for us to clean them. And we use the same scalers that we would use on people when they go to the dentist. And we scale away all of that plaque and tartar. We get underneath the gum line to clean all the bacteria out from under there, and we check to see which teeth are still healthy. So if a lot of them are really mobile, we usually have to take those out. But so long as we can get all that bacteria out from underneath the gums, the gum tissue heals up nicely and gets nice and firm again, and it leaves them with really healthy mouths. So doing your part in keeping your dog's teeth clean at home can really help to reduce their need to come to the vet for visits. And so we really recommend that you take the time to brush their teeth at least 3 times a week. And I know it can be daunting to start doing that, but even if you come in and have our technicians or a veterinarian show you how you can brush your own pet's teeth at home, they become pretty responsive, and it's fairly easy to do after a few times practicing, and it can really help to keep them with a healthy mouth for a long period of time.